Ever wondered how you can keep your Telegram chats truly private or even hidden away from curious eyes? Whether you're concerned about sensitive conversations or you just want a little extra peace of mind, today's tutorial will walk you through exactly how to enable private chats, hide conversations, and lock down your Telegram app itself. By the end, you'll know how to take full control of your messages and make sure your privacy is stronger than ever. Let's jump right in with secret chats, Telegram's hidden gem when it comes to privacy. Unlike regular chats, secret chats use end-to-end encryption, which basically means that your messages are locked up tight, visible only to you and the person you're chatting with. Even Telegram can't peek inside. Plus, these secret chats come with features like self-destruct timers, so you can set messages to vanish after they've been read, and forwarding or screenshots are disabled for an extra layer of protection. It's ideal for sharing truly sensitive info, or if you just want to make sure your conversation stays between you two. To start a secret chat on your mobile device, whether you're on iPhone or Android, simply open Telegram and look for the compose icon. Usually this looks like a pencil inside a circle or a square. Give that a tap and then select New Secret Chat. Next, pick the contact you want to start your private conversation with. Telegram will open up a brand new chat thread just for secret messages. You'll know you're in the right place by the gray bar at the top that says Secret Chat. Here's a key detail to keep in mind. Secret chats are device-specific. That means you'll only be able to see this conversation on the device you started it with. So if you switch phones or use Telegram on desktop, the secret chat won't carry over. Nothing to stress about, just something to remember if you're moving between devices often. Now, if you just want to make a regular chat disappear from your main list without actually deleting anything, Telegram has a super simple archive feature. Imagine it like tucking a conversation inside a drawer. It's out of sight, but you can always pull it back out when you need it. On mobile, just swipe left on the chat you like to hide. You'll see the archive option pop up. Tap it or simply let go after swiping, and that chat will move into an archived chats folder right at the top of your chat list. Whenever you want to access these hidden chats, just tap the folder. There's one small thing to note. If you get a new message in an archived chat and the chat isn't muted, it'll pop right back to your main list automatically. If you want that chat to stay hidden, archiving and then muting it will keep it tucked away until you're ready. And last but not least, for those times when you want maximum security for every chat in your Telegram app, you can set a passcode, or even use Face ID or Touch ID if your phone supports it. This is like adding a lock to the whole Telegram house, so if anyone gets hold of your phone, your messages stay protected. To do this, head into Telegram's settings, tap on Privacy and Security, and then select Passcode Lock. From here, turn it on and create a PIN or choose your biometric security option. There's also an auto-lock timer, which you can set to lock Telegram automatically after a period of inactivity, perfect for those days when you're bouncing between chats but don't want to forget to secure your app. And there you go, 3 simple, effective ways to keep your Telegram messages private and hidden. If you want even deeper details, you can always check Telegram's FAQ page. Thanks for watching. If you found this useful, hit the like button and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or need more tips. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials just like this. See you in the next one.